Hello. Hi, everyone. Good morning. I'm just waiting to see if anybody will join me. It's Miss Tawny here. Happy Thursday, October 1st. So we are into the month of October. I'm hoping that my sound is working. I can't see, but I'm pretty sure it's working. I'm just here to say hello and to walk you through how it's going to look for the month of October for booking the Makerspace kit that we have in. This month we have the button maker, and I'm pretty sure most of you guys know how it works because we've had this kit a few times. It's a pretty fun kit, but because of the new guidelines that we have to follow, we actually have to start taking bookings. So for each day that the kit will be available, I will write the date here. You have to contact me either through Facebook Messenger, or you can call the library and just book your time slot. Everybody will be getting a half an hour time slot with a 15-minute break in between so that I can sanitize everything. And whether you actually need my help or not to make a button, there'll be a limit of 2 buttons per child because our materials, they cost a little bit of money, but not too much. But everybody will be going home with 2 buttons at least. So you just get hold of me, and then I can book your time slot in here and whatever day. The days that are going to be available are starting next Wednesday, October 7th, and there's 4 time slots in the morning and then 5 time slots in the afternoon. Of course, we have a lunch break in there. And you could come, you can only book as a family. It has to be a group that lives together. We can't have daycares where there's going to be different children coming in. I'm sorry. But if it's a family, you can come in together and you use the button maker kit, make your buttons, and then you can pick out your books, and then you can head on home. Just let me know. So October 7th is our first day of booking, which is a Wednesday, and then Thursday, October 8th. Then the next following Wednesday, no, not the 14th, because I believe I have a live stream story time that day. So it'll be the 15th, and then the next week, the Wednesday and the Thursday as well. So I will put up notice on Facebook of what days are available, and then you just contact me and let me know what time slot you want available, and we will go from there. Okay, so there's the button maker kit. I'm gonna be here. Just let me know when you want to book. Have a good day. Bye.